We are pleased to show you the 2021 Atlas Cross Sport. The Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport screams luxury. With its eloquent exterior body lines and its plethora of interior features, this is surely a vehicle you'll want to take a look at. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, fog lamps, front wheel drive, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.